Excellency has approved the appointment of Professor Abola Ibrahim Gambari as his new Chief of Staff.
On top with tori for today, President Buhari don appoint Ibrahim Gambari as his new Chief of Staff. Nigeria President Muhammadu Buhari don appoint Professor Ibrahim Gambari as his new Chief of Staff, and him do this one for Federal Executive Meeting wey shele for State House Abuja on May 13, 2020. We go remember say na late Abba Kyari na first be Chief of Staff before him die of coronavirus disease on 17 April 2020. And now Professor Ibrahim Gambari, wey now be the Chief of Staff, na First Minister of External Affairs for Nigeria for 1984 go reach 1985 when President Muhammadu Buhari first be military head of state. Gambari na graduate of political science and he na ogbonge person on top academics, government and international diplomacy. He don first be United Nations Secretary General and Special Advisor to Secretary General on top Africa matter for 1999 go reach 2005. Na him first be Nigeria Permanent Representative to United Nations from 1990 go reach 1999. And now na him be chairman for panel of eminent persons for African peer review mechanism. Professor Ibrahim Gambari come follow tori people talk on top how body do am for this ogbonge appointment.
I thank the Almighty Allah for the opportunity and the President of the Federal Republic for giving me this opportunity to serve him and of course the country. I think he demands loyalty, competence and support.
Now here we see am reach on top with tori for today. As Nigeria President Muhammadu Buhari don appoint Ibrahim Gambari as him new Chief of Staff. Make una sabi say na T Live Media na carry this ogbonge informate dey come give una.